Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, where is the ECU fuses now? Two fuses that we'll need to check. We'll demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic right here. So what we're going to do, the first fuse box is located inside your vehicle on the driver's side under the dash. If you guys look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box, and that fuse box looks like that next to the OBD port. We're going to zoom it a little bit so we can clearly show you the fuses. But before we continue, guys, let's explain now why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the fuse, guys, for the ECU that we'll need to check here specifically, we're going to come in that bottom row right here, and on the left side we have fuse number 1, here it's fuse number 13. So even if you have a missing fuse, you still count the spot. We need to find fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you look, guys, 10, 11, okay, that fuse right here, 11 fuse, 5M fuse. That 11 fuse, guys, that's the one that we will need to check right here for the engine computer. You have another one that's actually located under the hood on your Honda Civic. That's, my bad, that's the fuse box right here, okay. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see a fuse layout that will look, okay, just like this one. Now, we're going to zoom in a little bit, and I want to show you now where that fuse is located, because actually it's a little bit hard to get oriented in that space here. But if you look, guys, in that will be the front of your vehicle, and facing the vehicle, that will be the left row right here. So right here now in that row, right, guys, okay, that last fuse, okay, that last 15M fuse, that's known as fuse number 10. That will be the one that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.